Hello everyone. Let's start a new topic, that is tense. Okay. So already I have just mentioned in my class that tense refers to the time of an action being done. Okay. And if you are not able to do tense, that means you are not very much familiar with verb. So okay. So what we need to do? You need to just clear your concept with the topic, that is verb. Then only you can proceed to tense. Okay. So tense refers to the time of an action being done. Okay, we know that tense tense refers to the time of an action being done. Okay, so it refers to the time. Suppose if I do an action now, so it is the present time. If I had completed my action in the in the past, that is called the past tense, and if I am going to do something in the future, that is called future tense. That idea I have given in my previous class itself. So today we are going to learn about the structure. Okay, structure means what are the rules that you are going to apply in just dealing with the tenses. Okay, and I will just mention that we know that there are three kinds of tenses, that is present, past, future, and each of these tenses have four forms. Okay, they have four forms. So today we are going to learn about the structure of the first type of tense, that is present tense. Okay, number one, present tense, that is simple present tense. Number one is I am talking about the four forms. Okay, so simple present tense. So what is the structure? Subject plus verb 1 plus s or es plus object. Object I am putting it in the bracket. Why? Because every sentence will not have an object, so that is why I have put it in the bracket. What is the simple present tense, or what is the use of the simple present tense? Simple present tense is used to show habitual action, a fact. It can be a universal truth. Okay, so you have to put a subject, then verb 1. When I say verb 1, that means the first form of the verb. If I say do, did, done, do is the first form of the verb. If I say go, went, gone, go is the first form of the verb. Clear? So according to the structure, I have to mention subject, suppose Ram, then verb 1, go. We know that with third person we have to make the verb singular as well. Ram goes to school. It is not necessary that every sentence will have an object. A sentence can have a complement too. Okay. Number 2, present continuous. Present continuous. Present continuous talks about an action that still it is going on. Okay. See the structure: subject plus am, is, are plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. Again object I have put in the bracket. Not necessary that every sentence will have an object. So subject Rohit is writing a letter. Rohit is writing a letter. Rohit subject is I have taken because I know that if I write I, then am. If it is singular, then is. If it is plural, then are. Clear? Rohit is writing a letter. Next, number 3, present perfect. Present perfect, what is the structure? subject plus has or have plus V3 plus object in the bracket. Clear? William has broken the specs. Okay? William subject, has or have, we know that singular subject takes singular verb, plural subject takes plural verb. Okay? So I have taken has, then break, broke, broken. Third form, broken, the specs object. Clear? So what is the use of present perfect tense? Present perfect tense is used to show that an object has started in the not very late, okay, and still just now I have completed it. Okay, it has started just it can be an hour ago, or it can be just few hours ago, but now I have just completed it. Okay, the completion completion of the task, okay, has just been completed just now. Okay, next, present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous, it's an action that started not very lately, but still the process is going on. Subject plus has or have plus been plus verb 1 plus ing plus object. And in this tense, that is in this form of the present tense, try to use since and for. Okay, because when we take things in a longer period of time, when it starts from a very long period and still the process continues, what we say or what we write, we use the two words, that is still and for. Sorry, since and for. Okay, he has been studying since morning. Okay, so if I say I have been living in this house for 10 years, so the action has completed back, but my process is still continuing. That is present perfect continuous. Perfect means what? Things taken place a very early period, then the process still it is continuing. That is present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so you have to go through the structure very carefully. Okay, then only you can just learn. Hope this class is clear. Thank you all.